Hello, my name is Reggie Graham, and I'm your mortgage loan originator. What I want to do right here is to introduce myself and just kind of tell you what to expect during the loan process. First thing is we want you to fill out a complete the application online as much as possible and hit submit. Anything that's missing, I will personally call you or one of my assistants will personally call you or email you and get that additional information. The more complete the application is, the faster the process. After the application is completed, we will request certain documentation such as your pay stubs, your bank statements, your W-2s, and your tax returns. Let's go each one by one. Pay stubs, we can't take screenshots. Has to be the actual pay stub as if it was mailed to you or you printed it off your computer. It needs to look like that. It can't be cut off. We usually need your last 30 days of pay stubs. As far as your W-2s, it needs to be the actual W-2 form from your employer. If you had 5 employers in the last 2 years, we would need all 5 W-2s from all those employers for the last 2 years. Your tax returns, we need all pages of the tax returns, even a different schedule. So if you're self-employed, you'll have to provide the last 2 years tax returns. On certain programs, the last 3 years tax returns, and also a year-to-date profit and loss statement. So if you started the process in, just say in October, and then you didn't close until January, you would still need a new profit and loss statement. So they want the profit and loss statement dated to within 30 days of your close date. As far as your bank statements, you cannot redact anything on your bank statements. That means scratching it out, blacking it out, whitening it out, or anything like that. The bank statements have to look just like you downloaded them or got them in the mail. So we need all pages of the bank statements. So I know that on most people's bank statements, you have a blank page. If it says pages 1 through 9 and number 9 is blank, we still need that page. So you can always email or upload those documents, and everything does need to be in a PDF format. We cannot use links because we cannot use links. It has to be an actual document for PDF document. Sometimes you can use JPEG if it's pictures of your ID or something like that. If you receive any type of Social Security or pension income, you would need the actual Social Security awards letter. You would need the pension letter. And even if you're a veteran, you would need something like your COE just showing how much that you make. As far as work verifications, we do need the exact address that you work at. If you're a remote worker, you would most likely, and you're trying to buy somewhere that's far from where your job is actually based, you would need some type of letter from your employer saying that you can work remotely. You don't have to live close to your job and still keep your job. 401k and retirement statements, we need the most recent statement, and also it needs to show the vested balance. So they come out usually every quarter. Some people can print theirs out every month. These are the things. So these are just the first time that you get started on the application. The longer you take to find a home or to complete your loan, you will always need your documents updated. So if you're in the process of looking for a home and we just got you pre-approved, you want to actually go ahead and send in your pay stubs as you get them, or send them in every month if you've been looking for a few months. So we will re-ask you for the most recent bank statements and pay stubs and a profit and loss if you're self-employed. Again, you will get emails from us, and you will also get calls and texts from the system. So please don't ignore those. And if we don't get something, and you sent it over, like, oh, I sent this over, doesn't mean that you didn't send it over. You might have sent the wrong thing, but just feel free to call or call us directly or text me or something, and I'll go look over the document and go over it with you. I look forward to working with you, and I just wanted to give you a heads up of what to expect. Have a great day, and let's get this closed. Bye.